Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 400 Pontiac for our customers' 1971 Le Mans Sport GTO option. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we have a 400 Pontiac engine, double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, Compcams camshaft, Edelbrock Performer aluminum cylinder heads. All the rocker arms are adjusted and set. Engine block is painted the Pontiac metallic blue with the brass freeze plugs. You have the new fuel pump on there. All the AN fittings, heavy duty Russell braided fuel line with the Edelbrock gas filter. We have the Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold, correct thermostat housing for the 1971 Le Mans, PCV valve in there, heavy duty Russell PCV hose, correct fitting with a PCV valve. We have the Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, 14-inch low profile air cleaner with a washable filter. We have the brand new Power Master starter, all aligned and set. Brand new billet steel standard flywheel, correct balance for the 400 Pontiac. ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearings installed, everything's torqued, ready to go. HEI distributor set in place. We have the blue ignition wires on there, all set. Oil filter housing on there. AC Delco oil filter. Correct oil stick and tube for the 400 Pontiac. Chrome valve covers, push-in breathers on there. Chrome fuel line, electric choke wire, all set. This is the Serpentine Wraptor pulley kit, the polished pulley kit. We have the self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy-duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressor on there, high-flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp one-wire hookup alternator. We have the GM Saginaw power steering pump. Everything's all set. Every engine is live run and fully tested at Engine Factory. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing with our timing light. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We set the idle. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call. 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. Family operated business here. So there you have it. 400 Pontiac engine for the 1971 Le Mans. Thanks for watching.